Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check for Thunderbolt 3/4 ports or an MXM slot and verify BIOS support. Once done, gather a screwdriver set, ESD strap, thermal paste, and the correct eGPU enclosure or MXM card adapter. Make sure to back up data and record current BIOS settings in case you must revert. You do this because physical and firmware mismatches are the common roadblocks. Solving them early saves hours and prevents voiding warranties. You now perform the hardware install step by step. Power off the laptop, remove battery if possible, and ground yourself with an ESD strap. Static kills components. Insert the GPU into the eGPU enclosure or MXM socket, apply fresh thermal paste to the GPU die if replacing or reseating, and tighten screws to spec. Connect the enclosure to the laptop over Thunderbolt or the PCIe adapter cable, plug power to the GPU. Then reassemble and power on to continue with software. You finish by installing the latest GPU drivers and Thunderbolt firmware. Reboot and allow Windows or Linux to detect the card. Run a quick benchmark and a stress test, watching temperatures and clock behavior to confirm proper PCIe bandwidth and cooling. If the GPU is not recognized, check the Thunderbolt authorization prompt, test different TB ports and a certified cable, and recheck BIOS settings for external GPUs. Remember, swapping the cable or enabling pre-boot Thunderbolt authorization fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.